What's up guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best 600 CFM under cabinet range hoods on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. Kobe Range Hoods. Kobe Range Hoods has revolutionized kitchen ventilation with its RAX 2130 SQB1 under cabinet range hood, a 30-inch marvel crafted from premium stainless steel. Kobe Range Hoods understands the importance of sustainability. That's why they've upgraded the RAX 21 series to not only excel in performance but also in eco-friendliness. The reduced packaging is a testament to their commitment to reducing waste and minimizing their environmental footprint. The range hood is a work of art, beautifully handcrafted with 18-gauge commercial-grade stainless steel sporting a satin finish. This range hood not only elevates your kitchen's aesthetics but also ensures durability and longevity. Efficient ventilation is at the heart of any range hood, and the range hood doesn't disappoint. Its energy-efficient 600 CFM internal blower is designed to eliminate moisture, odors, and smoke effectively, creating a clean and comfortable cooking environment. With a 3-speed mechanical push-button control panel, adjusting the fan speed to match your cooking needs has never been easier. Whether it's a gentle simmer or a high-heat sear, this range hood has you covered. Cooking requires precision, and to achieve that, you need proper lighting. The range hood includes 3-watt LED lights that illuminate your cooking area, ensuring you can see every detail of your culinary creations. Cleaning up after a delicious meal is a breeze with the range hood's easy-to-clean baffle filters. These filters effectively trap grease, ensuring your kitchen remains fresh and clean. If you have taller cabinets in your kitchen, you'll appreciate the range hood's thin hood body. With a height of just 2 3/8 inches, this range hood is designed to fit seamlessly, with the motor conveniently inserted into the cabinet. This clever design maximizes space while maintaining optimal ventilation. Kobe Range Hoods understands that every kitchen is unique. That's why the range hoods is available in 30-inch, 36-inch, and 42-inch sizes, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your space. Number 2. Tilsa Range Hoods. If you're on a quest to transform your kitchen into a more efficient and stylish culinary space, look no further than Tilsa Range Hoods' upgraded 30-inch range hood. Packed with power, versatility, and contemporary design, this range hood is set to elevate your cooking experience. Tilsa Range Hoods understands the demands of heavy-duty cooking, which is why this 30-inch range hood comes equipped with a powerful 600 CFM airflow, thanks to its dual motors. It outperforms most competitors, swiftly whisking away large amounts of grease, heat, smoke, and cooking odors within minutes. Even with its robust performance, it operates quietly, with a maximum noise level of only 55 dB. Whether you're giving your kitchen a complete makeover or simply upgrading your appliances, Tilsa's 30-inch range hood boasts a stylish and space-saving design. It's a perfect fit for condos and apartments. Crafted from 0.7 mm thickness stainless steel, this range hood not only looks chic but also offers rust, temperature, and corrosion-resistant properties, ensuring it lasts for years to come. Tilsa's range hood is designed for both outdoor vented and indoor vented installations, giving you the flexibility to choose the setup that suits your kitchen best. You can opt for top or rear venting and install it under a cabinet or against a wall. Plus, it comes with 2 carbon filters included, making it ready for ductless use. Installing this range hood is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly step-by-step instructions provided in the user manual. If you prefer professional assistance, qualified experts can handle the installation and electrical wiring for you. Cleaning up after cooking is equally hassle-free, thanks to the 5-layer baffle filters that effectively capture grease, making cleanup a breeze. Additionally, 2 bright, energy-saving white LED lights provide ample illumination for your cooking area. Number 3. MCBON Range Hoods. In the realm of kitchen appliances, a reliable range hood is an unsung hero. It silently goes about its job, ensuring that your cooking experiences remain pleasant and free from unwanted odors and grease buildup. Among the top contenders in the world of range hoods, the MCBON Range Hood Insert 30-inch stands tall as a powerful and stylish choice. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the MCBON Range Hood Insert 30 inches built to last. Its food-grade stainless steel construction not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen but also ensures longevity. The stainless steel used in its construction is not only durable but also highly resistant to grease, stains, and rust. With a material thickness of 1 mm, this range hood insert outshines its competitors, promising durability and performance that exceeds expectations. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the easy-to-remove and dishwasher-safe baffle filter, ensuring your range hood looks as good as new even after heavy use. The MCBON range hood insert 30-inch is designed to accommodate both duct and ductless setups. It fits a 6-inch round duct, making it a great choice for those who prefer ductless range hoods or may need to switch between duct and ductless operation. Its charcoal filter efficiently eliminates grease and odors, ensuring your kitchen air remains fresh and clean, regardless of your cooking style. The heart of any range hood is its motor, and the MCBON range hood insert 30-inch doesn't disappoint. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.